Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about how to stake INJ token from Coinbase. INJ is a native injective token, so let's start the review. This guide provides step-by-step instruction on how to transfer and delegate INJ token with Coinbase. For this tutorial we need Coinbase account, MetaMask account, injective wallet, INJ in your Coinbase wallet and ATH in your MetaMask account. There is only 37 steps, and let's go. First we need to go to Coinbase official website, create wallet, click transfer and send our crypto, it's mean injective. Click on injective, enter in the amount of injective you would like to send, it can be 1, 10, 100 injective. Next, we enter in the Ethereum wallet address associated with your injective wallet. If you already know your Ethereum wallet address associated with your injective wallet, skip to step 15. Next, we need to go to Hub Injective Network official website, click connect our wallet, choose MetaMask. After that, we need to check if there is our wallet. Next, we click on this icon to copy your Ethereum wallet address, go to Coinbase, paste our address, click on continue and send our injective tokens. Next, go to Injective Hub, go to wallet page and click bridge. Next, we see Ethereum and injective. We need to confirm our bridging from Ethereum to injective. Next, we need to paste our total amount of injectives that you want to send. After that, click transfer now, review all transaction details and approve it in MetaMask. After that, you will see that you have token INJ on your wallet. Next, we go to staking page, choose any validators that you want, delegate now, paste amount of INJ that you want to delegate, click delegate and you will see how many INJ you delegate in your wallet.